Alright guys, welcome to the first video that we've created this year. We're going to try this out and see how it works for us. Today we're going to talk about a new concept. This concept is what we call mean absolute deviation. Sounds tricky, sounds confusing, some big words, but I think you guys are going to be able to figure this out and have a good idea of what's going on. Alright, so let's get started. What is mean absolute deviation? Well, simply put, it's the average distance that the numbers in a data set are from the mean. In other words, we're going to figure out how far away from the mean all the numbers in a data set are, and then we'll find the average of those values. So it'll take a few steps. Let's take a look at some examples. So here's this data set: 3, 6, 6, 7, 8, 11, 15, 16. Well, to find the mean absolute deviation, the first thing we need to do is find the mean of the data set. Step 2 is to calculate or determine the distance each number is from the mean. And then finally, the third step is to find the average or the mean of all of those distances. 3 steps, shouldn't be too difficult. Let's try it out. So if we find the mean, we're going to take 3 plus 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 11 plus 15 plus 16. That's going to give us a total of 72. And since there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers in our data set, 72 divided by 8 gives us a mean of 9. Step 1 complete. Now, how do we find the distance each of these numbers is from our mean? Well, let's take a look at a number line. Let's say that we're going to draw a line to represent where our mean is. From there, we want to look at how far away each of these values is from that mean. So from 9 to 3, that's 6 steps away. From 9 to 6, that's 3 steps away. 9 to 6 again, 3 steps away. 9 to 7 is 2 steps away. And 9 to 8 is 1 step away. Then on this side, from 9 to 11, that's 2 steps. 9 to 15, that's 6 steps. And 9 to 16 is 7 steps away. So what we have now is we're going to find the average of all of these values. So 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 7. Add those up and we get 30. Well, again, since we've used 8 numbers, we're going to divide that by 8, and that gives us a mean absolute deviation of 3.75. There you have it. That's mean absolute deviation. Can you think of any other ways to find these values without using a number line? Come into class tomorrow with some ideas ready to share. Thanks a lot, guys. See you in the morning.